Hello, everyone. Congratulations on making the amazing decision to enroll in our marketing course. My name is Joe Paris, and I've been teaching online for over about a year now. And I just wanted to share some amazing marketing strategies. And this course is actually a series of courses. So if you've really enjoyed this course, I'm going to show you by the time you finish how to move on to the next course to get some more amazing strategies, to continue to work with me, and to really get some amazing results when it comes to creating online courses, learning how to market, and really to just get some awesome results in your life. So that's where we're going. And in our next video lecture, I'm going to break down the course syllabus and the course goal and really what you're going to be able to get out of this course. This course is a bite-sized, smaller kind of course, but there's an incredible amount of focus and there's also a lot that you can learn. And I show you exactly the marketing strategies and the proof that, well, I'm not just talking the talk, but I'm also walking the walk, and that this can work for you. So let's go ahead and dive right into the course syllabus and the course goals. And I can't wait to start teaching you these awesome marketing strategies. Stay tuned. I'll see you very soon.